here we are with a Stern WhiteStar CPU / soundboard, also known as an MPU. This one came to me without any of the ROM or processor or BSMT 2000 chips in it. The client had sourced a new CPU board for it and wanted to get this one repaired. This one was damaged during the installation of a ColorDMD, and as I frequently see on these boards, this 74 HCT 273, which is U201, that drives the plasma display, was damaged. So you can see it is back up and running again with Starship Troopers ROMs in it. I have tested this completely and it works perfectly. I'm going to get this back to you. Thank you so much.